I've made a career of trying to simplify everything. I do a lot of work with the PLC process, and sometimes there were just too many moving parts at the same time. I just keep drilling it down and drilling it down. I got it down to where it's stripped down to nothing, and I still get people resisting. And I realize this is not a teacher or leader saying, I don't want kids to learn. Nobody gets into this field to not want kids to learn. I believe this is a crisis of confidence. This is a crisis of confidence. I believe deep down that when you put your back to the wall and decide no kid is walking out of here without X, Y, and Z, it has many of the same elements as starting that new business you've been thinking about, but you scared as hell to start it. Or publishing that book that's been inside you or has been written, but you've not published it yet. Or trying that new idea or starting that new career. That going for itness, and I talk about it in the book, that's a scary thing. It's why most people stand pat in issues of quiet desperation rather than aspire and grab onto something. And the idea that every kid has got to walk out. We got to get every kid there, even Melvin, even Julio, right? All of them. That scares us.